See it down here.
Okay, guys, I'm trying.
Hi. I'm just looking.
Oh, that's cool. They did lay down all those rails. Yeah, it's right there. Oh.
It's right here.
It's all right down there.
I bet they don't have to do this very often. They know what to do though.
This time we get to see the guy.
Yeah.
We got the two of us sitting in that chair.
Oh, they're laying down. They're gonna lay down the stair benches, or stair railings.
Yep. They don't want it to black it. Everyone has their cameras out.
Mark, you don't have your camera with you, do you? You'll be able to see the helicopter coming in up over there.
Well, right now.
It makes them nervous to have so many people looking at
Yeah, they have it all the
They're
time.
busy all the time, yeah. This is a big deal, though. I bet they don't do this very often. No, we haven't taken pictures. We haven't taken pictures before airports. Yeah, oh yeah, we have too, but we haven't. Well, you're moving, they're moving. Oh no, I can't imagine. I'm surprised. Well, I was trying to get closer to land, I guess, but imagine eventually.
Don't let anybody take that spot.
Tricky landing.
The last thing they want to worry about is the other passengers right now. Not really.
Nice job.
Well, that's some good views of the ship. You had a camera up there.
Yeah, guys.